Hello, YouTube land. Told you I'd be trading the Silverado soon. Here's the latest one. Same year, 2004 Ford F-150 step side. Now, the fog lights have to be replaced. I'm working on that. And you might notice a little bit of damage here on the bottom bumper here. It used to be worse. I managed to do a little pushing and prodding and push it out a little bit. But it's still pretty goddamn good. It is a 5.4 Triton. I think that's the number. It is a single cab extended, which I didn't know that was a thing. Now it's very basic. The most expensive thing in this car right now is my radio unit I took out of Silverado to put in here, and the new dash cam I'm wiring into it. Of course it's gonna rain now, because, you know, fuck me, and this is Virginia. But just look at this paint job. I gotta brighten up that step side though. It is dark as shit. Might replace this just so I have a color matching set, and so it doesn't have the screws in it. But look at that paint job. Hello. This is factory paint, believe it or not. I'm surprised too, but you will not see it go around the corners or be flush if it was not factory. Crest toolbox. It does not have line X like my other truck, but whatever. It did have stickers when I got it, but I took care of that mostly. Goes to the DMV. Well, Tyler goes to DMV this coming week. My trusty tow hitch. That thing has been on 4 or 5 different vehicles now. Came with 2 sets of rims, so I traded off a set and got a set back. That missing piece of trim is in the mail right now. eBay, $40, not bad. It's pretty goddamn near perfect. Standard little wears on the nicks on the door there. 216K. Problems that this thing has are mostly, well, it's missing most of its exhaust. Yeah, that sucks for me. But the frame is solid. There's no rust on it. Nice and clear. I'll probably have it resprayed eventually. I also want to find the tarp that covers up these, because I think that would look pretty badass to have the full set. I did have a toolbox when I got it, but it was wrong size and I didn't want it, so I just sold it immediately. One of the old marks on there. Also gonna replace that third brake light. That's shot. Now the main issue I have with this car, besides that ripped seat and this level of filth, ugh, rug doctor is coming in play in a little bit. But it's manual windows and locks, which I forgot was a thing in 2004 and before. It also has a very basic setup on the cluster here, so I'm going to be doing a dash swap with a later version to give this car power everything again. Well, for the first time. If you didn't see it, 200 and... Really? Come on. Door jar, yes, we know that. 216K on the clock. Let me turn off Bluetooth, make sure it doesn't sync over. Still got to wire in so let's fire up. Oh boy. She's pretty loud, but not as loud as she could be, considering. Where that came from. Ooh, that's very muddy. So far, all I've done to this girl is an oil change. Shocks will be coming in soon. I might rewire these fog lights. runs real nice. The AC doesn't work. I am going to be taking out this aftermarket amp wiring because I decided against it. I was going to keep it in here, but the guy wanted it, and yeah, it's not my thing. That's weird. That's better. Let's have a look at the air filter. Not that bad, actually. That'll last a bit longer. Hold on 1 second while I adjust this. Alright, so power steering. Low. Brakes. Dirty. But not low anymore. Radiator. Low. Exhaust. Missing parts of it. Reservoir. Full, but the jets are backed up, I think. Let me have a quick look here. 1 second. Step here for a second. I want to see if it's going to squirt. Hello. So it's definitely a blockage in my line here. Work on that in a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that right now. 1 sec. You're back. I pressed the wrong button there and ended the damn thing. Let's see. So the jets are here and there. Let's kickstand out. Okay, fuck it. I ain't gonna bother with it. But we're gonna use the. Oh. Okay, ain't gonna work either. Well, I am just. Hey, all the correct marks right now is being annoying. Alright, we're doing it this way. Turning on spray air. See how that did. Oh, that could have been bad. That could have been real bad. That was a lot better though. I'm gonna blow it out one more time. should have shown you beforehand, but I forgot. Let's see, it's any better? Holy. That is much better. God damn. Welcome back to land of the living. Definitely gotta bring something back to a stockish look. Replace these headlights. I got new ones coming in because I always do this. She definitely needs some new. Ooh, I just realized that's missing. Huh. Yeah, just realized that one blends in quite nicely. I might just pop the entire thing out. Maybe not. Hello, mosquito. It's too early for you. Oh, that's pretty surprising though. Jets came back quite nicely. One less thing for me to worry about. Again, I love this thing. It's got a gorgeous paint job, and I got a name for it. The Bastard of Bodney. My aviation enthusiasts will know what that means. Those who don't, the Blue-Nosed Bastards of Bodney were, as a fighter group, famous for taking down the last stand of the Luftwaffe during World War II. But yeah, I'm going to start cleaning this, because this is bothering the hell out of me. I'm going to turn off the car, too. But yeah, I'm going to get to work on this. Thanks for watching.